a fire in Memphis, city of Memphis, maybe about 10 miles over here. A fire in the sky, making the sky all smoky. Just some gurgle. Memphis Hospital. Now there's an airplane in the sky putting out fire in the sky. Could be a volcano, lava beneath the ground, surface of the earth. Could be a volcano coming to the surface. A fire in California, United States of America, USA. All smoky. It looks like a tornado, but it's not. It's all smoke by a fire, a brimstone. Here comes a helicopter flying in the sky. Hear it? Flying. Helicopter in California, United States of America. That's a huge fire right there. Look how huge that fire is. Huge fire right there.